Leo was a 17-year-old student who loved learning English. He had good grammar, a growing vocabulary, and he could speak fluently. But there was one thing he didn't have: a British accent. One evening, Leo watched a British movie. He heard how the characters spoke: water instead of water, better instead of better, and schedule with a soft sh sound. Leo was amazed. He thought the accent sounded elegant, smart, and very cool. From that day on, he decided to copy the British accent. He started practicing in front of the mirror. Would you like a cup of tea? Absolutely delightful. He even downloaded British podcasts and repeated every word. At school, he changed the way he spoke. When his teacher asked a question, Leo answered in his new voice. Pardon me, but I believe the answer is. His classmates were surprised. Some giggled quietly, but Leo didn't mind. He thought he sounded impressive. Then, one Monday morning, everything changed. A new student joined the class. Her name was Emily, and she had just moved from London. When she introduced herself, Leo's eyes lit up. Finally, a real Brit. During break time, he went up to her and said, "Hello, Emily, fancy a chat?" Emily blinked. She smiled and said, "Sure. Are you from the UK too?" Leo hesitated, then said, Yeah. From near Birmingham? Ton?" Emily looked puzzled. "Do you mean Birmingham?" Leo nodded awkwardly. She raised an eyebrow but didn't say more. Later that day, Emily came up to him after class. She was kind, not rude. "You know," she said gently, "you really don't have to pretend. Your natural voice is perfectly fine." Leo's face turned red. He smiled and scratched the back of his head. "Yeah, I guess I got a little carried away." They both laughed. Emily added, "British English is fun, but accents don't make you smarter. How you use the language is what matters." From that day on, Leo stopped faking the accent. He focused on clear pronunciation instead. He still listened to British podcasts and watched English movies. But now, just to learn, not to pretend. And guess what? His English got even better. He felt more confident and more like himself. The best part? He and Emily became good friends, and they often practiced English together, laughing at their mistakes and learning from each other. The lesson? It's okay to admire others, but never forget to be yourself.